So, why does God ask for trust before understanding?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Habakkuk openly asks difficult questions about pain, injustice, and confusing situations. Let's slow down and look carefully. Habakkuk was struggling emotionally because life did not seem fair or easy to understand. This might surprise you. The brain naturally wants quick answers when situations feel uncertain or stressful. Most people miss this part. Habakkuk does not hide his questions from God, he brings them honestly into the conversation. Here is the deeper layer. Trust often begins growing before full understanding arrives, especially during confusing seasons of life.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Habakkuk honestly shares confusion and emotional frustration instead of pretending everything feels fine. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. The struggle was slowly teaching deeper trust and emotional resilience. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Habakkuk keeps asking questions while still staying connected to God. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Faith often grows stronger when people keep moving forward without having every answer immediately. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle when situations feel unfair, confusing, or emotionally overwhelming. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated trust slowly trains the brain toward patience, resilience, and emotional stability.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated emotional responses slowly strengthen certain neural pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns emotional patterns through repetition and reflection. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Fear and anxiety slowly increase when stressful thoughts repeat constantly. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Calm reflection and trust slowly strengthen healthier emotional responses. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally resilient or more emotionally overwhelmed over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny moments of trust quietly reshape the brain and emotional health.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People often feel stressed when situations seem confusing or unfair. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Uncertainty can quickly increase fear, frustration, or emotional exhaustion. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Anxious thinking slowly weakens patience and emotional balance. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated worrying slowly affects sleep, focus, and emotional resilience. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Constant bad news and pressure often keep people emotionally overwhelmed and mentally exhausted.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Trust usually grows quietly during ordinary moments. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily reflection slowly builds emotional resilience and stability. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns calmer and healthier emotional responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Patience and trust slowly become easier through repeated practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character, just like tiny roots slowly hold a tree steady during heavy storms.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during confusion or emotional stress. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Honest emotions help the brain process uncertainty more safely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one calm and faithful response matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional resilience usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small trusting habits slowly strengthen wisdom and emotional stability.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Stay calm during one stressful moment today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one quiet minute of reflection matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when fear or frustration tries to control your thinking. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, small faithful habits slowly create stronger trust and emotional resilience. Remember, trust often grows slowly during confusing seasons when answers do not arrive immediately. God stays close during uncertainty, emotional struggle, and honest questions, especially when people keep moving forward faithfully. Every small trusting and faithful decision is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger and wiser over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.